Hey guys, here is the second page of your review for your test. Okay, so find f of 6. So f of 6 is right here, and it's at that value, which looks like it is 3. Okay, f of 16, the line is really right here above, so we know our answer is going to be positive. Okay, let me see if I can get something darker that will show up a little bit better. Okay. How often does the line y equals 4 intersect the graph? So y equals 4 is right here. How many times does it cross? The answer is 2 times. Now, remember here, find values. This means y equals 12. So y equals 12 is right here. And the question is find all values. Notice right here, we're kind of touching this one, and that answer is 12. So x equals 12. And x equals, looks like 15. Okay. Nope, 14. Sorry about that. And 14. Technically, it does touch everything in between. So if you did say another possible, a good answer, would be from 12 to 14, because technically it does get this whole line right there. Do we have an absolute maximum? And the answer is yes, we do. We have it here at D and here at, I think that's an E. So so you do one of two ways. X equals 12 and X equals 14. Or you can do, when in doubt, do the order pair 12, 12 and 14, 12. Okay, so I'd rather you do one or the other. When in doubt, go with both. State the x-intercepts. This doesn't mean just cross it, it can also touch it. So we touch the x-intercept here at x equals 0, and we do it again right here at 20. And we are done. Okay, so here we go. So my value here is 0. So before I even put any x values, my y value is 0. So I need a number, I need 0, and I need a number less than 0, -1. Okay. So here, we're just going to extend this. I'm going to say -1's right here. I forgot to come back and say. Okay, so at 0, close dot, and at -1, open dot. Oh, x, I'm sorry. Ooh, -1 because we came up with that number here. It is an x. So close dot, and then we're just going to go in that direction. Okay. Next, we're going to do this one. So it's 4. Again, without looking, we have a 4 there. So we're going to use a 0 and a 2 because they gave us those both. So this one is going to be, ooh, I did make a boo-boo. This should be an open dot because this one's a closed one. And this will be open. So I'm going to come down here and let's fix that one. We're going to make it look open. Okay. 0, 4. Closed. 2, 4. Open. Okay. Here we go. So this is a 1, so these both are 1, and we're going to go from 2 to 7. Closed, open. So 2, 1, close, 7, 1, open. Okay. And last but not least, so it's a 2, so all my y's are 2's, and it's from 7 to infinity, so I just need a number bigger than 7. Let's go 8, so closed and an x. So 7, 2, and all the way out here, because there's my x. Okay, so there's what your graph looks like. Okay, I am so sorry this camera's not working well. I promise you I'm working on it. Okay. Here, this says, remember f of x, y is bigger than 0. So when is y above x axis? So we're above it from right here all the way to right here. And so from, looks like -7 and to 6. So technically these would not get brackets just because 7 would be the point we're changing, because technically the point is -7, 0, and 0 is very neutral. Okay, just remember that if you put a bracket, that's not the worst thing in the world. So here, y is less than 0, so we want below x-axis. Okay, so we're below from here to here. Notice that's a dot. So we're below from -8 to -7. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, you're right, because that one starts at below. Okay, and then over here, we start at 6 all the way to 7. Okay, well, I wish you luck on your test. I'll know you be amazing. Bye, guys.